Chandigarh, known as the City Beautiful, is India's first planned city. Designed by modernist architect Le Corbusier, Chandigarh is a commercial, education and tourist hub. The Rock Garden and Sukna Lake are major hangout zones for tourists and the student community alike. Chandigarh boasts of numerous educational institutes. And today, we are at Adesh Institute of Technology or AIT with a legacy spanning 27 years in medical and healthcare, engineering and management education. Adesh Institute of Technology is affiliated to PTU or Punjab Technical University and is AICTE approved. The institute believes in the virtues of analytical learning techniques which boost performance level to novel heights. AIT offers 70 courses across UG, PG and doctorate levels. AIT is located at Gharau, about 15 kilometers from Chandigarh and about 132 kilometers from Jalandhar. A niche course curriculum supported by modern technology, the engineering courses at Adesh Institute of Technology are backed with modern classrooms, state-of-the-art labs and personalized guidance of faculty.
The college provides all the best courses here. Its fees is reasonable. The main thing is its staff is highly qualified and I find complete study atmosphere here.
AIT also boasts of over 1500 faculty and also provides exclusive industry interface and a platform to the students to showcase their talents.
We are focusing on developing our faculty on latest technologies by introducing faculty development programs in association with various international universities and MNCs. Same is the case with the students. We are calling industrial experts, organizing seminars, organizing workshops for our students so that they can make themselves ready for the perfect professional life.
AIT is a Wi-Fi enabled campus for the students to explore beyond their horizons. The college also organizes personality development classes to prepare the students to face the corporate world.
The best thing of this college is environment like library, labs, lecture theatres, seminar halls, parks and parking area. And last one is the most important and best thing of our college is placement drive.
The engineering courses available at AIT include Computer Science Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Civil Engineering, and Electronics and Electrical Engineering.
AIT is well known for its engineering courses. The reason is that the workshops, labs and industrial visits that we offered are the key approaches for the student learning process.
The management department at AIT offers industry-relevant education along with superior teaching methodology.
We arrange expert lectures by guest faculties, group discussions and personality development classes for our students, and from time to time we keep on arranging the industrial visits to keep our students' knowledge updated.
AIT offers BBA, BCom Professional and BCA courses with well-equipped classrooms and constantly engages the students in case studies, group discussions and internship programs.
Our focus is to make the students job-oriented, and so to achieve this target, we provide the best platform for our students.
With a huge population of students from the Northeast, Bihar, Jharkhand, Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh besides the local area, AIT welcomes students from all across the nation. For this purpose, AIT offers excellent scholarship opportunities for all.
Apart from government schemes and government scholarships, we are offering scholarship plans to the deserving and meritorious students so that they can pursue their higher education without any hurdles.
AIT also boasts of an excellent placement structure in the campus and has most of the MNCs visiting their campus on a yearly basis.
85% of students have got their placements in various MNCs like Dell, HP, Webnor Informatics Private Limited, LM Digital, SEO experts. The maximum package being offered to our students is 7 lakhs, and on an average our students have got a package of 5 lakhs per annum.